Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your legs. Start by elevating your legs above your heart for about 15 to 20 minutes daily. This helps reduce swelling. Choose comfortable, supportive shoes to prevent unnecessary strain. Remember to stay well hydrated, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water each day. Regular physical activity, such as a 30-minute walk most days, is also crucial for good leg health. To boost leg circulation, avoid sitting or standing for extended periods. Make sure to take frequent breaks to move around. Incorporate simple leg exercises, like ankle rotations, into your daily routine. For improved blood flow, especially during travel, consider wearing compression stockings. Regular stretching of your leg muscles will also help maintain flexibility and prevent uncomfortable cramps. For healthy leg skin and muscles, moisturize your legs daily to keep them soft and prevent dryness. Gently exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times per week to remove dead cells. Massaging your leg muscles can help relieve tension and improve blood flow. Always protect your legs from sun exposure by applying sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher when outdoors. It's important to know when to seek professional help for your legs. Consult a doctor if you experience persistent leg pain, swelling, or numbness. Seek medical advice for any unexplained skin changes, like rashes or sores. If you have concerns about varicose veins or spider veins, discuss them with a healthcare professional. And always report any sudden weakness or difficulty moving your legs immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.